You're gonna love this new lease listing in my favorite neighborhood in Campobello. Now, why is that? Well, it's the largest floor plan, highly upgraded, into the cul-de-sac, and the views and backyard are superb. Let's go in and explore. Let's hit the front door. It's an open concept floor plan, bedroom, bathroom down with the inside laundry and direct garage access. Formal dining over here with a nice chandelier, and then the two-storied volume in the living room with the double-sided fireplace. It's an entertainer's kitchen with the quartz countertops, all those brand name appliances and stainless steel. Nice dining area where I can enjoy that cup of joe first thing in the morning, and love the den, watch TV, enjoy the fireplace. But the backyard is really superb. Let's look at that next. Talk about an entertainer's backyard. I've got the beautiful barbecue area where I can entertain my guests. They can dine al fresco out here while they look at all the nature in Bucks Canyon. But the special part of this backyard is this side yard. Follow me through. This beautiful green grassed side yard where I can relax out here, maybe take a little sun, enjoy a cocktail in the afternoon, right here in this beautiful backyard. Top of the stairs, we have bedroom number 2, which has its own fan, nice size mirrored wardrobe. It's shared with the bathroom number 2, which includes twin vanities, nice shower and tub, and then bedroom number 3. Now that's spacious. It's got a little work area. It has the mirrored wardrobes and a nice vistas down that cul-de-sac street. Office could be bedroom number 5. It has those double doored entries and those nice plantation shutters. This is the TV room. The magic though is always in the master. This one's got the ceiling fan, those beautiful vistas out towards Bucks Canyon. Ceiling fan, and it's got twin closets in the master and extra closet in the bathroom, along with twin vanities, that nice skylight for natural lighting, the own vanity, wife can put on the makeup, and separate tub with that beautiful glass surround shower. That's a wrap at this beautiful 17 Adriana Newport Coast lease listing. Remember, backyard, great size of home, nearly 3,000 square feet with those views. Not going to last long, so call the number down below and we'll get you in right away.